Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to open voicemail settings on Xiaomi 14T and 14T Pro. So the first thing that we need to do is open the phone app. In the phone app you want to go to the top right corner and tap on these three dots and then go to settings. And finally over here you have a voicemail. If you go over here and if you have more than one SIM card, for instance if you use two SIM cards, then you should be able to choose the SIM card that you want to manage. And once you choose it, you will find these options where you can go to notifications. You also have the visual voicemail where the carrier may not, of course the carrier might not support visual voicemail, like it might not in my case. However, if it does, then you can tap over here on the slider in order to turn it on. And in addition to that, you can go to advanced settings where you can choose the servers. Most of the time you cannot really change that, you probably have only your carrier over here. And you can enter the voicemail number. So if the voicemail number is actually missing over here for some reason, then you can enter it over here in order to access the voicemail. And that's it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.